Hi, I'm Quintan from SYNQ, and today we're talking curbside pickup. So right now I'm showing a screen with location settings for our demo store. So I can run you through some of the stuff more applicable to curbside. So you will find this on the sidebar just under location config. We've also got some curbside modes. These are fairly self-explanatory when you click the preview. You can see the various things that it asks for depending on what you choose. So if you want a customer to pick their curbside spot and enter a phone number, they can do that. We also give the option for vehicle description and things like that. So you can really tailor it to the optimal setup for that store, depending on how the parking lot is situated. So a lot of the curbside modes typically just ask for a spot number. You can also ask for customers to provide a vehicle description if you don't have a designated area. There's also a mode called valet mode that allows customers to be told where to go pick up. So you as a store can define different pickup zones and then tell the customer to go to that zone to pick up the items. So there's lots of ways to do this. So now I'm on another page called Organization, Branding, and Settings. This provides a bunch of options that will carry across all of your stores in the organization and provides things like privacy agreements and branding, including logos and custom CSS. You can also drop a tracking snippet in there for analytics purposes. It gives you the option of languages, like English and French is our default. You can also set organization-wide Twilio account information and then go store by store if you want to override that as well. And there's another option called encryption key. So part of what we tried to do with curbside pickup was make this as seamless as possible for both the customer and the store. So I've whipped up a fake email on my phone. This is like something the customer would receive when their order is ready for pickup through your e-commerce platform. This is just completely static on mine. We do provide options for baking customer information into the click button that the customer wouldn't need to enter, such as their order number, name, etc. That just eliminates some of the frustration the customer would have on their end. And it's a standardized system of providing all that information to our curbside pickup system through the email to make that as simple as possible. The gist of it is basically encoding everything as JSON, encrypting that JSON, and then base64 encoding it and appending that to the URL. So I've clicked the link in the email. It's asking what type of vehicle I have and what my phone number is. If I have any issues as a customer, I can text the store directly and they can provide answers such as like, why are you taking so long? And they'll give me more information. So I am in a minivan, phone number, and my minivan is white. And I am now queued up for curbside pickup. So it's thanking me for checking in. As we step through the order, it will give me more information about it. So I'll just cut over to the staff side for pickup. So this is the order that just went through. And because I just opened it as a staff member, it now informs me as a customer that my order is now reviewed and someone's working on it. So we can also message the customer here if we want to. I'll just receive that as a text message. I will mark this as delivered, indicating to the customer that I have left the store to deliver this item and it's on its way. So now me as a staff member, pretty much done. I just need to haul it out to their car. This will let the customer know to get ready. Open my hatch, I'm here. That's literally all there is to it. As another part of the seamlessness, we do offer the option of copying and pasting the order details into your form. So hitting the clipboard icon in the corner, copy and paste the order number and the pickup code to the clipboard. Usually 2 pieces of data that you need for orders in some stores. There it is in the text box there, just separated by a semicolon. If you choose to integrate the hooks on your side, we do have a webhook to close out the order automatically. It typically requires the date of the order, which we will use to match to the order number and PIN as well. So those come through with the webhook. We try to find a match, and if we find a match with the corresponding store, it will close that order automatically and let the customer know that you are delivering their item as well. You typically don't have to leave Microsoft Teams for this. You can just hit claim and it'll let the customer know that you are reviewing their order. Speaking of Microsoft Teams, setup is very simple. You basically just install the app through the Teams store, link it up to your store by signing in as a user, and then we will grab your Teams channels for your store and you can choose to use those for curbside pickup as defined in location settings. When the notification comes through that a customer is there to pick up their order, you basically just need to click claim. And if it's already worked out with webhooks on your e-commerce side, you don't even need to visit the order. You close it out on your end and it will automatically close out on ours. That's basically all there is to it with completing a curbside order on our end. So we are placing a real life order right now, and when it's ready, we'll go pick it up. All right, thank you for watching. I'm Quintan from SYNQ, and to watch more videos on how to use our products, please like and subscribe. Thank you.